Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome back to the start of a brand new week. Today is Monday, January 27th of 2020, and here are our morning announcements for today. We'll be having a PTCO meeting today at 4:30 after school. Those happen in the main foyer area right outside of the office. And then also tomorrow, January 28th in the morning, we'll have candid photos. Those photos will be of groups that we will use for the yearbook. So if you are in any special groups such as math club or if you are in safety patrol, then you want to make sure that you are here tomorrow to get your picture taken. You do not need to pay anything for it. These are just pictures that just get taken to be put in the yearbook. For our January birthdays, we do have a couple of birthdays to announce. Owen Burnt and Nazir Rundy. Happy birthday to both of you. I hope both of you have a wonderful day today and enjoy your birthday. Our lunch choices for today would be chicken tenders, mini corn dog, or chef's salad. And today our Paws are brought to you by Mrs. Munn's third grade students. All right, for our pause for today, we have three students from third grade in Mrs. Munn's class who are going to share some things about expectations that you could be doing in the classroom.
Don't talk when the teacher's talking. Keep your hands to yourself. Raise your hand to speak.
That's good responses. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. And everybody have a great day. Make sure you start out the beginning of your week in a positive way. So try your best efforts today also. Have a wonderful day.